I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your Vivo has recent updates so blocking works reliably. Open the phone app now and tap the three-dot menu in the corner. Once done, choose Settings and then Blocked Numbers or Call Settings depending on your model. This screen's where you begin adding rules. You're starting with the built-in controls because they intercept many spam types at the system level, which is faster and uses less battery than third-party apps. Now configure specific rules to catch repeat offenders. Enable caller ID and spam protection if your Vivo offers it, since it flags likely spam automatically. Then add individual numbers or whole prefixes to the block list and turn on block unknown callers for strict filtering. Make sure to report spam calls when prompted. This helps the phone's database improve. Once set, these layered rules reduce nuisance calls without impacting important known contacts. Finish by testing your setup. Call from a blocked or unknown number to confirm it's silenced or routed to voicemail. If blocks don't take effect, restart the device and recheck settings. Sometimes permissions or updates reset. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't overriding desired behavior. If spam persists, install one reputable call block app and grant necessary permissions. Only use one third-party blocker to avoid conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: if a block fails, remove and re-add the number before trying other fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.